Why is Govinda in the hospital? You won't believe this! The legendary Govinda was rushed to the hospital after a revolver misfire at his Juhu home. While preparing for a show in Kolkata, he dropped his licensed revolver, causing it to discharge. The bullet hit his leg. Govinda underwent surgery and is now stable, but doctors say he needs a month of rest. He's grateful for the outpouring of love and prayers from his fans. The police have seized the revolver for an investigation. Stay tuned for more updates on Govinda's recovery. Like and subscribe for the latest Bollywood news.